Okay, let's cover a way to use the group command on the Express console to bring up levels. We've talked before about bringing up levels on your Express console using the keypad or using a submaster, for instance, and even using a group just as a way of selecting a group of channels. But the group command actually has a broader functionality that I want to talk about right now, and that is using the group command to bring up values from, say, an existing submaster or queue that you have recorded. And we refer to this command as group sub or group queue. And let's take a look at how that works. For instance, I already have a submaster recorded, which is submaster number 1. I can bring submaster 1 up and you can see that I've got some levels there. But if I don't actually want to bring that submaster up, if I want those values to be manual or captured, I can use group sub to do that. And the syntax is literally just that. Group sub 1, and then I can hit the full key or the level key, and you can see that the levels are brought directly from the submaster, but they're actually as if I typed them on the keypad. So they're captured, they'll update into a queue if you need to do that. So you can use the group sub command to pull values from existing submasters. I'm going to release those now. And you can do the same thing with a pre-recorded queue. So I could say literally group queue to level, and it's going to pull values exactly the way they're recorded in the queue, but I'm not actually playing the queue, I'm just setting those values manually. So using group sub and group queue is a great way to pull values from previously recorded submasters and queues so that you can set more queues or more submasters. And that is how you use group sub and group queue on the Express console.